Okay, so essentially I wanted to do this video to kind of show you why I've fallen in love with this knife. Honestly, it's been one of the best I've had in a long time. There's a great weight to it. The metal that is here helps food come off a lot easier. And the truth is, even though it's a crazy sharp knife outside the box, I can't really tell you that just because it's a sharp knife, it's well worth buying. Any knife can be sharp, any knife can be utilized in a really good way, but this particular knife feels great on the hand. I can really grip up on this. I can really choke up on the knife at this point. Feels really comfortable here. The handle's really smooth. And I'm just gonna show you quickly like why I'm so comfortable with it. So essentially, I'm just gonna cut an orange really quick. I'm not sure if people cut their oranges, but when you watch how easily this penetrates flesh, this is very, very little effort. And sure, that's because of its sharp knife, but because of the weight of the knife, the weight actually kind of leans forward. It's a lot easier to just kind of get in there. So if I just actually just cut a little bit closer to the flesh and just come down, cut by cut, honestly, it's just so smooth with this knife, and I have all the control that I would have with the smaller knife. This is an 8-inch chef's knife, and this thing is just killing it for me. Like, I absolutely love how easy it is. It's very, very quick to get around. I can be precise the way I want to. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold. Essentially, it's fantastic. So if I come around and just want to kind of drop a few pieces, watch how easily I'm able to maneuver just around the flesh this way. Like, it can easily cut through this whole thing, but that little piece right there is just fantastic. And again, I'm not trying to showcase how sharp the knife is. Like, a sharp knife is a sharp knife. What I'm trying to say is this very, very large knife, for some people, this is very easy to control. So I absolutely love this. Yeah, it's actually not bad.